tracking features in Capcut app. Stickers follow your face. Before we start, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell for more videos. Thanks for your time. And for now, tutorial is how to use Capcut feature sticker follow your face. Now use Capcut app. Click Capcut app. And now click plus sign to edit your video. And now select the video you want to edit. Next, click add your video to edit. And now I will play the video first. Next, find the stickers features. Click it and find the sticker you want to put on your face. And place the sticker on your face. And pull it to the end. Now I play video. The sticker didn't follow our every move. It just stayed where it was placed. Now for the sticker to follow every movement, we need tracking features for the sticker to follow every movement. Click it tracker and put it on our face so it can track every movement. Now let's click on this color green to start tracking your face. And wait to download. And now play the video to see if the sticker is followed to each move. See, and now I'm done. Thanks for watching. Before I leave, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Take care everyone, bye bye.